Hi, Chanel from Tips and Tricks HQ here, and in this video I'll be discussing PayPal Credit. The majority of people are familiar with PayPal, but the new PayPal Credit option many may have not yet heard of. PayPal Credit, similar to a bank credit card, allows you to purchase an item which you must then pay back over time. All seems great until you delve deeper and research the related interest charges. While credit cards are loved by some, others hate them, seeing way too many friends and family members wind up in debt after using one. Credit cards, in short, allow you to loan money, so it is important to consider if you'll be able to make the monthly repayments prior to signing up and using one. The benefits of using PayPal Credit opposed to a typical bank credit card is that the credit decision is made within seconds. Someone approved to use PayPal Credit will be notified within a number of minutes with a verdict. While PayPal Credit does have associated interest charges, the good news is that there is no annual fee to use the service. If you're approved to use PayPal Credit, the option will automatically appear in your PayPal wallet, meaning that you can use it anywhere online that accepts PayPal payments. No physical credit card, number or expiration date is ever needed. Similar to using PayPal Money, PayPal Credit has many of the same great features we know and love. For example, purchase protection and the one-touch checkout system. When you sign up for PayPal Credit, the interest charges depend on the amount spent, whether it is $99 or more or $99 or less. Basically, monthly payments must be made so that interest is not charged. If you pay off the amount in full over the 6 months, making the expected monthly payments, PayPal Credit is entirely interest-free. If you find yourself missing payments and being late for payments as expected, late charges and in turn interest applies. While PayPal Credit may sound great, the downside is that it is basically limited to those in the United States. While there has been talk of PayPal extending their credit service to other countries, no statements have cleared this up as of now. If you're wondering how you can check out with PayPal Credit, then keep on listening as I'll explain that now. Once you've applied for PayPal Credit on PayPal's official website and you've been approved, you'll see PayPal Credit as a payment option each time you check out online with PayPal. It's very simple once you've been approved. The amount of credit available to you ultimately depends on your credit check, although generally it is $250 USD and above. While PayPal Credit can be used to buy clothes, shoes, and many other items online, you can also send PayPal Credit to friends and family, which will appear as if you're sending your own money in their account. This is great if you haven't budgeted for an upcoming relative's birthday. Hopefully you have a clearer understanding now of PayPal Credit and if it is right for you. More details about PayPal Credit can be found at paypal.com, and in addition, applying for PayPal Credit is simple and easy. Always ensure if you're approved for credit, you can make appropriate monthly payments for the amount you use. Happy credit shopping!